Ya okay, aya basi nta giti nta gasobanuye. Nitwa Juju, giti w'igipeti, bakise banka under siege. Agace kayo ka kane ni kuri wa eshatu akadomo igiti akadomo neti. igiti.net. Banka under siege. Mu gutanyaza nk'ibisanzwe tangira kono ku ruhande ni imyaka 11 mbere yuko banke uyishimutwa nyirizina agace ka Arumeria
9
ndetse angara baganiraga.
I was an altar boy at Saint Isidro.
Niho tuzi nka Jose na Cuevas.
The church, okay? And I was in charge.
Avuga ati rwose nahoze nkora mu rusengero ndi umuhereza.
Passing around the collection box.
Ari nge rwose bari hafi yaho nafite gutanga amaturo yari umudiyakoni. Umunsi umwe nibo nkora akazi.
I decided to keep one coin.
Nafasha agaceri kamwe ko nyine rwose mu bice bari batanze by'amaturo.
To buy an ice cream.
Ngira ngo ngene ngo ice cream.
But it turns out,
man, ikintu cyambaye hose.
You drop a coin it.
Sinaziko ko umuntu man yangu bisurushi mu maso amora agaceri kamwe ko nyine natwe just agakoroto kamwe ko nyine k'ifaranga rimwe urumiya.
So that very same
yari uwo munsi nijoro
I went back to
nafashe umwanzuro njya mu rusengero.
I snuck into the sacristy.
Ninjira rwose neza indani amafaranga bikwa.
All the money.
Amaturo yose ndayiba. Bari bankubitiye ituro rimwe ko nari ngibyasegeye bitamo kwiba amaturo yose.
So fuck that dude.
Barakakubitwa nk'uwo musenze nacishe.
That was my first robbery.
Bwaruga mbere nibi.
At 9 years old.
Ni imyaka 9 nari mfite icyo gihe. Uko wowe ni igisambo kuba kiri mutoya. Yenze bari baganira.